Alright, so this is January 30th, 2014. This is when you should be watching at home Wednesday night. Now, rules for single step equations is do the opposite. Always true. Do the opposite. Your HOQ, you're going to solve x over 3 plus 1/3 when x is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Now you're going to have 5 different answers. Alright, example 1. We're going to start again with addition. So, x plus 13. Our rule, do the opposite. We're not going to add 13. We are going to subtract 13. Now I'm going to put this on a number line. This seems to be a problem that we're having a lot of. Because what we're not understanding is that a negative minus 13 or negative 5 minus 13 is the same as saying a negative 5 plus a negative 13. Think about it like this. We have a number line, okay? On our number line, we have positive numbers going this way and we have negative numbers going this way. We're already at negative 5. We still have to subtract another 13. Our answer is going to be farther down the negative line. In this case, it's going to be at negative 18. So our answer, x is equal to a negative 18. Okay. Let's move on to a subtraction problem. Okay, so x minus 4.7. We're not going to subtract. We're going to do the opposite. X plus 4.7. Now, this also messes us up. Because what I get a lot of is that 5 plus 7 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1, and you're going to wind up with 7.2. But that's not true. This is a negative number. This is a positive number. If we're looking at a number line, again, positive numbers to the right, negative numbers to the left. We're starting at a negative 2.5. And we have to go a positive 4.7 spaces to get somewhere over here. Okay? Now, the easiest way to do that is actually switch these two numbers and just subtract. Okay? So if I switch these two numbers and I subtract, I'm going to wind up getting a positive 2.2. Okay? So x will equal a positive, tore my paper, positive 2.2 on my number line and be right here. Okay? Now, you have a problem like this, an easy way to know if your answer is going to be right or wrong. If your answer is bigger than either of the, or is bigger than your biggest number, then you're going to wind up being wrong. When they have opposite signs, this number can't be as big as either of these two. Alright? Example number 3. Looking at multiplication. Okay? We're not going to multiply. We are going to do the opposite. And the opposite is divide. So we're going to scratch out this multiply by negative 3. We're going to bring it over here and put a negative 3 down. This says the same thing as a negative 12 divided by a negative 3. Numerator in the house, denominator outside. Now 3 goes into 12 4 times. Now, a negative divided by a negative gives me a positive answer. In this case, my x will be a positive 4. Okay. Alright, so look at number 4. Example 4, division. Okay, we're set up in division, but we're not going to divide. We're going to do the opposite. Boom. We are going to multiply by a negative 10. So negative 3 times negative 10. A negative times a negative creates a positive. So x will equal 3 times 10, which is 30. Short video. Should be watching it Wednesday night. I want you to finish the HLQ as practice problems. Make sure it's done before you come to class, or I won't hand you here before you leave.